herbal drug and herb food interaction. Herbal drug interaction. Drug-drug interaction may have little or no effect in patients and some are harmless. Some drug-drug interaction are harmful. The effect may only occur in a small portions of patients. Serious interactions can occur and these may be life-threatening. Some drugs have a small therapeutic ratio, example phenytoin, and other drugs require control over the dosage, example anticoagulants, antihypertensives, antidiabetic, and etc. Patients with impaired renal or liver functions are at most risk from drug interaction and more adverse effects. When herbal drugs and pharmaceutical drugs are administered together, may interact with each other in body, leading to kinetic and dynamic alterations. Drug interaction may be allergic reactions, liver problems, or heavy metal poisoning. So what is drug interaction? It is mainly defined as any modifications caused by another exogenous chemical, that is drug, herb or food, in diagnostic, therapeutic or other action of a drug in or on the body. Drug affected by interaction is called the object drug, while the drug causing the interaction is called as the precipitant drug. Here are some examples mentioned. There is herbal laxative preparation, abdominal pain and diarrhea in some patients. So herbal products involve sedatives like passiflora, produces drowsiness, GI interactions or GI disturbance and liver abnormalities. Papaya extract with warfarin may increase the blood plasma level of warfarin. Devil's claw with warfarin and ginkgo with thiazide diuretics leads to hypertension. Then evening primrose oil with anesthetic leads to seizures. Here are some examples in which herbs with particular drug may lead to some kind of interaction in some patients, not in all patients. So here is a diagram that in this herb, in case with in interaction with drug, it may lead to synergism or it may increase the drug concentration, it may lead to antagonism or it may decrease the drug concentration. In case of synergism and increase in drug concentration, efficacy of toxicity increases, and in case of antagonism and decrease in drug concentration, in that case efficacy of therapeutic failure mainly involve. Mainly drug interaction or herb drug interaction takes place in GI system, that is gastrointestinal system, CNS, central nervous system, CVS, cardiovascular system and endocrine system. These are the 4 systems where mainly the interaction takes place. In case of GI system, antacids used in therapy may be affected in individuals taking herbs such as horse chestnut, which is irritant to GI tract and may potentiate the laxative activity. It's an example mentioned over here. In case of CNS system, in case of CNS, hypnotic and anxiolytics may react with sedative herbs, example passiflora. CVS, in case of CVS active herbs causes interactions with cardinaloids and antiarrhythmias. Diuretic in hypertension may potentiate the activity by co-administration of herbal diuretics. In endocrine system, drugs acting on endocrine system including antidiabetic, then corticosteroids and oral contraceptives may interact with herbal remedies. So these are the examples in case of systems where mainly the drug interact in case of individual system. mechanism of drug interaction, pharmacokinetic interaction, that is ADME, absorption, distribution, metabolism and excretion, and pharmacodynamic interaction. In this case, produces additive, synergistic or antagonistic effect, activity reaction with the drug. These are the mainly two interactions, pharmacokinetic and pharmacodynamic. Reasons for herb drug interactions. What are the reasons? Mainly clinical lack of adequate knowledge of combinations is the main reasons for interaction. Herbal supplements from plant sources having the active ingredients should still be potent. No advancement in researches, lack of scientific evidences of safety and efficacy, lack of regulatory oversight, lack of quality control, then public misinformation, lack of knowledge about herb drug interactions by patients and healthcare providers, underreporting of adverse drug reactions. These are the reasons why herb drug interaction take place. So here are some tips to minimize the herb drug interaction, or which will help to minimize the herb drug interaction. Taking herbs at least 1.5 hour apart of taking from taking other drug. Avoid using herbs with strong laxative or diuretic action while using cardiac drugs. When the drug therapy is already addressing a particular therapeutic goal, avoid adding a potent herbal therapy with the same goal. Learn the known drug reactions and take reasonable steps to avoid problematic herbs. Learn the known herb drug interaction and avoid the using combinations. So in next slide we will see herb drug interactions between these drugs, that is hypericium, kava kava, ginkgo biloba, ginseng, garlic, pepper, ephedra.